Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the factors which affect the rate of transpiration in plants. We know that transpiration is the process of loss of excess of water in the form of water vapors through stomata, okay, in plants. And there are certain factors which actually affect the process of transpiration in plants. The first very important factor is temperature. We know that all the molecules, especially of gas and liquids, they have their own kinetic energy. Kinetic energy means the energy which actually helps in the movement of these molecules from one area to another area. Okay. Now, because of the increase in temperature, the kinetic energy of these molecules increases. Now, as the kinetic energy of these molecules will increase, so what will happen? These water molecules, they will start moving faster. Okay, they will start moving faster, and hence the evaporation process will also be fast. Okay, so because of increase in temperature, the rate of transpiration increases due to increase in kinetic energy of these water molecules. Okay, and hence they move faster and evaporate faster. Second very important factor is humidity. Okay, now what is humidity? Humidity is nothing but the amount of moisture present in the air. That means the concentration of moisture. Moisture means water vapors. Okay, so the concentration of water vapors or moisture present in the air. Okay, now if humidity will increase, the rate of transpiration will decrease. This is because we have studied in the previous videos that these water vapors, they move outside the leaf by the process of diffusion. Okay, and we know that diffusion is actually the movement of molecules from the region of their higher concentration to the region of their lower concentration. Okay, and this difference in the concentration of any molecule between two areas is known as concentration gradient. Okay, now for example, there is a leaf, there are two leaves. Okay, this is one leaf. Inside this we have water vapors. Okay, and outside the humidity is 0%. Okay, it's like a hot, very hot and dry summer afternoon. Okay, and in second case, it's actually we have a cloud, it's raining. Okay, leaf is there, inside leaf we have water vapors, and outside the humidity is around maybe 60%. Okay, so what will happen? In first case, the rate of transpiration will be very high. Okay, it will be very fast. Why? Because in first case, the concentration gradient is also very high. Okay, and because of diffusion, water vapors will move from higher concentration region to lower concentration region. But in second case, in this case, what will happen? What transpiration will take place, but at slower rate. Why? Because outside also moisture is present. Okay, outside also water vapors are present. Okay, here humidity is around 60%. So if humidity increases, the rate of transpiration decreases. And if it happens like outside, if outside the leaf the concentration of water vapor is higher than inside the leaf, then no transpiration will take place. Okay. Third factor which affects the rate of transpiration is wind speed. This wind speed is essential, or it works mostly in the case of humidity. Why? Because when the air is very humid, okay, and wind is blowing at a faster rate, okay, the wind speed is high. So this moving wind actually carries away the water vapors present in the air around stomata. Okay, so this wind, what this wind will do? This wind will actually take away the humid air from leaf. Okay, this wind will actually take the humid air away from the leaf. Okay, and hence diffusion of this water vapor will be faster. So if wind speed is more, the rate of transpiration will increase, because this high speed wind will actually move away the humid air from stomata of the plant. Next factor is light intensity. Light intensity is important because we know that on the lower surface of leaf we have stomata. Okay, and these water vapors, they diffuse outside the leaf through stomata, but they can diffuse outside the leaf only when the stomata is open, and stomata opens up when light intensity is high. Okay, this is because when sufficient amount of light is present, plants, they will perform the process of photosynthesis. Okay. And for that they require carbon dioxide gas. So this carbon dioxide gas enters inside the leaf from the air around the leaf through stomata. Okay. So this stomata opens up in order to take in the carbon dioxide gas. Okay. So obviously when light intensity is high, a plant wants to perform photosynthesis, and in order to perform photosynthesis, plants, they require carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas will actually enter inside the leaf through stomata. So stomata will open up, and the moment stomata opens up, all these water vapors will diffuse outside the leaf. That means if we increase light intensity up to certain extent, the rate of transpiration will also increase. Okay. Last factor which affects the rate of transpiration is water supply. Okay. Now increase in water supply actually increases the rate of transpiration as stomata of the plant opens up for the sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. Okay. So if we will increase water supply, the rate of transpiration will increase. And if we will decrease water supply, the rate of transpiration will decrease. So in next video, we will talk about wilting.